Welcome to inputting marks and uploading evidence to the moderation portal. This is your home page. We're going to start by clicking the Assessments tab here. On this page, you will see under Search Assessment Records that you are able to filter using the fields displayed in order to identify certain candidates, cohorts, or assessment components to allow you to input marks and upload evidence for. So today we will look at a course. So you will need the course and then search learners. You can see now everybody that is displayed under your qualification code for that qualification will be displayed below. You may want to change your page to 250 per page if you have a large cohort. If it will default to 25, so if you have less than 25, that's fine. You can see that it shows employer involvement, optional units, and the synoptic assignment. Everything that the candidates are booked on under that qualification will display here. As you can see, all candidates are set as the status for ready for marks. We can change this for everybody by clicking this button, or if you wish to, you can click individual, line by line, and then you just change it here to marking in progress and save. So now you can see that this candidate is marking in progress for this synoptic assignment. So then you would put in the awarded marks for that candidate, the marker, and how to upload evidence is you click here and a drop down file appears. Click browse. You will already have your candidate's work PDF'd and saved in a file, preferably under the candidate's enrolment number. Click it and it will automatically upload. The details of what need to be added into that file are outlined in our Moderation Portal Centre User Guide for Technicals and T-Levels qualification document on our website. Once this is uploaded, it will show you a little paperclip to say that it is complete. It is there. If by any chance you have uploaded the wrong file for the wrong candidate, you can at this point remove it here. If you are happy with everything, then the next stage is to mark it as marking complete and again save. A pop-up will appear to say once you've saved, you can't go back, so be 100% sure. And there you are. This candidate now has their marks inputted, their marker, and their evidence, and it is marking complete. This now shows that this candidate is fully complete for the synoptic assignment on this qualification. If for whatever reason your candidate has not sat, say, this optional unit this year, they're going to do it next year, but they were booked on it, we need you to put WNS, again the marker, and again then it would be marking complete and save. Again, the pop-up will appear. This just notifies us that there is nothing from this candidate this year regarding this optional unit. All the details for the evidence requirements for uploading and evidence requirements for size of cohorts can all be found in our document 2 for the moderation portal guide.